Whether you're looking for more retirement income or just a part-time income at all, I'm going to show you how to use your options experience to make tremendous returns with a strategy used by professional traders and money managers. This particular trade I'm going to feature today, it only takes less than 3 minutes to explain it to you, and it can yield 31% in only 4 months, and the chance of being a successful trade over 97%. Stand by, I'll break it down for you. Now remember, I promised you in about 3 minutes I'd show you this entire trade. By the way, my name is Don Singletary. For 25 years I was a risk management consultant using commodity options. Here we go. First of all, the strategy is going to be a short strangle. As you can see by the chart on the screen right now, gold is around $1,300 an ounce. We're going far up and away above the money at $1,500 an ounce, $200 out, and sell a call option. And then we're going to go down to $1,160, far below the underlying price of $1,300, and sell a put option. The chance of these options both expiring worthless is over 97%, and it all happens in about 4 months of time. Now let's go to the chart for the underlying. As you can see, the October 2019 gold futures contract is trading just below $1,300, $1,295.50. We're going to sell 10 of the $1,500 an ounce strike calls, and we're going to sell 10 of the $1,160 strike puts, the underlying contract, the October 2019. Now, whenever we sell options, we get a credit immediately to our account. In this case, a $1,600 credit, a margin requirement of $5,140. As you can see, when we do the math, that's about a 31% return in only about 4 months. These options will expire in mid-September on 2019. And remember, there's a 97% chance these options expire worthless. You don't get a 31% return without taking a little more risk. This type of trading can be risky, and it's not appropriate for everyone. Well, as promised, the presentation's been less than 3 minutes here. If you'd like to learn more about this strategy and see scores of different trades I've done over the past few months, you can get access, full access to my Option Income Training Bulletin. There's a free 14-day, 2-week trial, and the information to subscribe is in the text below the video. This is your personal invitation to join us and see if it's something that might be for you. This is Don Singletary, and thank you.